Hey guys, John here from Diode. If you're considering upgrading your vehicle to LED bulbs, then this video is for you. Today, we'll be explaining why not all LED bulbs are created equal, focusing on one of the most critical factors for safe driving at night, achieving the correct beam pattern. First, let's address a common misconception. Many drivers focus on how bright a bulb is, when the beam pattern is actually what determines your safety when driving at night. To understand why this matters, we need to take a closer look at how lamps on your vehicle work. All lamps are designed to distribute light from a precise focal point. Until LEDs came along, halogen bulbs were standard. If you look closely at this halogen bulb, you'll see the tight wound coil filament. This is the focal point. Light is emitted from the focal point, uses the reflector or projector inside the housing, and creates the beam pattern. Now let's take a look at how LED bulbs emit light. They emit light from multiple small diodes. These diodes need to match the focal point of the factory bulb within the housing to avoid scattered light, which can cause glare and reduced visibility. Unfortunately, not all LED bulbs are designed with this in mind. So what happens if a focal point inside of an LED bulb isn't aligned? You end up with uncontrolled beam patterns that could blind other drivers and compromise road safety. This is a common issue with many pop-up brands you might find on sites like eBay or Amazon, where the focus is often on exaggerated lumen claims rather than the proper beam alignment. These are the bulbs that give LED bulbs a bad rep. Here's where the difference lies. Proper beam pattern is key. Generic LED bulbs often have excessive spacing between the LEDs, leading to unfocused light output, poor visibility, and safety hazards. Now let's talk about a feature that can make all the difference: adjustable collars. For optimal light distribution, LED chips need to be positioned at the 3 and 9 o'clock positions. Misalignment can lead to scattered light, reducing effectiveness and increasing the risk of glare. Unfortunately, many brands overlook this, resulting in fixed collars that often scatter light improperly. That's why our SL2 and SL2 Pro LED bulbs feature adjustable collars, allowing you to achieve the perfect alignment and a properly focused beam pattern. While some LED bulbs boast high output or power, if the light output isn't properly focused, it's not only ineffective, it's unsafe. The SL2 and SL2 Pro bulbs have been meticulously designed by our world-class engineering team to ensure the best optical performance and road safety. So if you're serious about upgrading your vehicle's lighting, make sure you're choosing a product that's been engineered for safety and performance. If you're interested in picking up a pair of SL2 or SL2 Pro LED bulbs, head on over to our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. And if you would like to stay up to date on the latest and greatest products we're bringing to the market, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on those notifications. Thanks for watching.